Vehicle fires are all too frequent and can cause incredible damage and even death in some cases. Causes can vary and can include production defects, arson, accidents, and mechanical problems. You want to keep yourself, your passengers, and your vehicle safe from the dangers you may encounter while driving. You can reduce the risk of a fire even before the fire trucks arrive by using a car fire extinguisher. For use in vehicles of any size, an ABC dry powder fire extinguisher weighing no more than 2 kilograms is recommended. We've compiled a list of the best fire extinguishers for cars to keep you and your loved ones safe. 1. First Alert Garage Workshop Fire Extinguisher. I'm going to recommend it. This is an affordable and effective way to add a layer of protection against fires. It's UL rated at 10B/C, making it good for electrical and liquid fires, which are your primary concerns in an automobile. This is a 2.5-pound rechargeable extinguisher that is just small enough to keep in your car but isn't so small that the usage is severely limited. First Alert also throws in a universal mounting bracket so you can mount the extinguisher where you need it. That bracket is a nice bonus, but it's not something you want to keep around forever. It's a little too flimsy to call reliable, and upgrading as soon as you can is recommended. Also, the lack of a Class A rating is something that will inspire many to look elsewhere. 2. H3R Performance MaxOut Dry Chemical Automotive Fire Extinguisher. Usually the pick for best value is the most affordable, but the fact that this H3R MaxOut set is a selection of 3 fire extinguishers makes for a value that's difficult to ignore. Having 3 extinguishers is great for those who want them at multiple points of the vehicle or in 3 different vehicles. Don't let the color options fool you. It's purely a style issue. You're getting 3 1A, 10B/C extinguishers. All 3 are rechargeable, 2.5-pound units, and the set includes a steel 2-strap mounting bracket. Even if the value is there, the price is on the high side. These use a dry chemical agent, not a halon agent like many assume because of the HAL guard name. 3. Amerex ABC Multipurpose Fire Extinguisher. This Amerex fire extinguisher is a solid choice to keep around the workshop, but does include a bracket for use in a vehicle. The 5-pound capacity is good for many reasons, particularly if you think fires are a frequent threat. It's a great unit that's stamped with a 3A, 40B/C UL rating, it's rechargeable, and it's a quality extinguisher. The price will steer many away as it's more than double the cost of most extinguishers that are half its size. A large amount of space in your vehicle will be used up if you keep it there. 4. KID Pro 210 Fire Extinguisher. KID is one of the most well-regarded brands in fire safety. They make high-quality smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detection systems, and some of the best fire extinguishers for home, cars, and boats. With a fire extinguisher, you want one that is straightforward and not complicated to use because odds are, you'll be under some stress when you are using it. The KID Pro 210 has an easy-to-read gauge that tells you when it is charged and ready to use. And the instruction label is clear, readable, and concise. 5. HAL Guard H3R Performance HG100C Fire Extinguisher. Weighing less than 4 pounds, this lightweight extinguisher has everything you want in one of the best car fire extinguishers. It is made of a high-quality steel cylinder and has all-metal valve construction for top-level durability. The agent used in this fire extinguisher is specifically designed to prevent thermal shock to electronics and not damage your vehicle or other surfaces. Included with the fire extinguisher, you'll also get a steel strap and mounting bracket. The HAL Guard H3R has a 6 to 8 foot discharge range. The Halitron fire extinguishing agent will not impair your vision while in use and will not leave behind residue on your vehicle. And though aesthetics are not a top priority for fire extinguishers, this one absolutely wins in that category with its high-gloss chrome finish. 6. Amerex B500 Fire Extinguisher. If you have more than one car in your household, this 2-pack from Amerex is a great option. Or, if you only have one car, you can use the other fire extinguisher for your home. Each extinguisher comes with a wall bracket for easy installation inside your house. The canister is corrosion resistant, so you don't need to worry about it rusting in your car over time. The fire extinguisher has a safety pin that needs to be pulled for activation. With that, make sure that you locate the pin and identify how to use it so that you are prepared in case of an emergency. The entire fire extinguisher is made of metal for added durability. For your car, we recommend purchasing a vehicle mount separately to keep this £20 fire extinguisher secure.